Hi, Jordan Hanna from MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm standing next to a beautiful trade that we just took in here at the Jupiter office. This is personally one of my favorite boats. It's a 28 Dauntless by Boston Whaler. This boat is a rocket ship. It's perfect really for our area. It's something that's easy to get into the sandbars, to go into the restaurants, and this is something on a great day you can go offshore fishing. It's more of a hybrid style bay boat, so you'll notice at the bow here, it's still high up off the water, super dry, cuts through, and just really gives you the best of every style boat. So hopping on here, we'll start at the transom. You'll see you've got huge platform here for boarding, dive ladder, big casting platform off the back if you're fishing, great space to work a fish. You've got a LiveWell, and then when you're riding out to the spot, you've got a really nice seat here at the transom. There's a table that goes here, and then for one of the coolest things on this boat, and really almost any boat that you'll see, check out this helm seat, how it folds down. And now you've got two opposing seats right here in the cockpit of the boat. Great for entertaining, anchored up at the sandbar, having a conversation with some family and friends out on the water. At the screen here, you've got the deluxe electronics package, which is the Simrad 16-inch NXO unit, the latest and greatest from them. You've got your Mercury binnacle here. This boat does have joysticks, so any type of docking or maneuvering in tight spaces, you've got total control over the boat. That's also going to include autopilot, skyhook, auto heading, Simrad VHF here, nice little glove box, wireless charger up on the dash, and this one was ordered with the full windshield, so you get great protection from the elements if you're doing long runs. Another glove box up ahead, and what you'll notice on this boat is that it has gray interior. This was custom ordered, and as far as I know, one of one that has this type of interior on it. They also went with platinum underneath the hardtop to really make this whole thing match together. Platinum gel coat here as well. It's got a nice size head. Premium audio, JL audio speakers throughout the boat, subwoofer, and then just up at the bow here, it's a great spot to lay out. You've got big wraparound seating up here, flip up backrest, so between this spot here and the lounger, you can have 4 people laying out on the boat, feet up, facing forward while underway. Find me another boat that'll do that as comfortable. Up here towards the bow, you've got a windlass. You can control it from here or at the helm, and then you've got a ladder, so if you beach the boat, you can flip it right off the front. Super easy getting in and out of the boat. This boat won't last long. As you can see, it's in just gorgeous condition, ready to go. Give me a call here at MarineMax Jupiter. My name again is Jordan. You can reach me 561-427-9217. Thanks a lot.